Okay, so we're going to install now the rear grab handle, which basically goes here. You can put your fingers up here and grab it, put it through the, I mean, you don't have that kind of mount, but yeah, really when you are in a situation where you want to pull it, sometimes this is not very comfortable. Pull the bike up sideways or something, so let's install that. So again, the T tool, 8mm, very handy, and put this somewhere else. And well, basically you just go here through the two holes here for the muffler, and we're going to remove these two screws, okay, which fit perfectly here. Okay, so we remove those two. We're not gonna use these anymore. You can see how here it's moving. That has to be very tight in the end. And then you have this longer, bigger spacer, and then you have a smaller one. So the longer one goes here. That one was here. And also to remove that, you have to remove this one here with a torque wrench that comes with a tool pack of the KTM. And so Torx 45 is the only one. You just remove it. This panel moves, so you have more space to do that. If you feel not comfortable, you can remove these ones too. And then you can remove the whole thing. But it's a little more difficult to install. So we're going to put that right now on the side. And what we're going to do here is take out this, slide this in. We're going to need an Allen wrench now. And yeah, so let's do this. This one we don't need anymore. Alright, so we're going to do this. You can move it freely now, because there's like a little on top here, you can't see, but on top here there is like a little thing that pops in. You see that? So you can unpop that too a little bit. You have more free play. So we put the longer one here, and then okay, so I should, oops, let's take this one away. So take the long one, screw it in. You have to see that it fits there. Okay, So it starts going there. Now we do the same with the other one. Starts to be a little tight now. Oh. All right. Okay. Right. Okay, and then we start squeezing back. So, can't be free play. Yeah, it looks pretty tight now. So we don't want any vibrations. All right. Then we just put this one back. And there you go. There you have it. So this is a uncomfortable part. Helps, but this is much more comfortable. All right. Grab handle installed.